How cool would it be to sit down at a family gathering and knock out a sing-along on the piano? Do you get discouraged when trying to learn piano because you have never actually touched a piano in your life? Taking traditional piano lessons can be a drag and many students won't see results for years. The Piano for All program allows you to achieve your piano playing goal without wasting time, effort, or money. The best part is anyone at any age can benefit from this program. Piano for All claims that you will be able to play your favorite songs within months of using this program. Is it possible to become a great piano player in months if it takes people taking traditional lessons years? Is this program just a scam or does it actually work? This highly researched Piano for All will give you all the answers to your questions.